Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to clear up a common point of confusion in the world of web domains and DNS. We'll be talking about two terms that sound very similar but have very different jobs: NS records and nameservers. It's easy to mix them up, but by the end of this, you'll understand exactly what makes them unique and how they work together to get you to the websites you visit every day. So, what is the core difference? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the nameserver. The best way to think of a nameserver is as an actual server, a real computer connected to the internet. Its specific job is to store and manage all the DNS records for a domain name. These records are like files in a digital filing cabinet. They include the A record, which points the domain to an IP address, the MX record for handling emails, and many other types. The nameserver is the authoritative source of truth for a domain. When a browser needs to know the IP address for example.com, it ultimately has to ask the nameserver for example.com to get the correct answer. So, remember, a nameserver is the destination, the library that holds all the books of information for a domain. Now, let's look at the NS record. An NS record, which stands for nameserver record, is not the server itself. It's simply a line of text, a specific type of DNS record. Its only job is to point to the nameserver. Think of it like this. Imagine you want to find an expert on ancient history. You might go to a university's main directory first. That directory doesn't contain the expert. Instead, it has a line that says, "For ancient history, go to Professor Smith's office in the history building." In this analogy, Professor Smith's office is the nameserver, the place with all the answers. The entry in the university directory is the NS record. It's just a pointer telling you where to go. The NS record's function is to delegate authority. When you register a domain, you tell the domain registry, "Hey, the servers in charge of my domain are ns1.myhost.com and ns2.myhost.com. The registry then creates an NS record at a higher level, the top-level domain, that points the entire internet to your specific nameservers. To summarize, the nameserver is the actual machine, the server that holds all your domain's vital DNS information. The NS record is a signpost, a simple record that tells everyone where to find that nameserver. You absolutely need both for your domain to function correctly. The NS record guides the world's internet traffic, and the nameserver receives that traffic and provides the final, correct answers. One is the direction, the other is the destination. I hope that clears up the difference between NS records and nameservers. It's a crucial concept for understanding how the web is structured. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this explanation helpful, please hit that like button, and for more simple breakdowns of tech topics, please consider subscribing to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.